Hi, Carol from Tiny Space Health here. Today we're going to do an arm workout, working triceps, biceps and shoulders, and I'm going to use these bottles that I've just filled with water because we're trying to do things with things that are accessible around the house. But some cans, if you've got some cans of beans, yeah, let's go. High rep. So, we've got some music. Yeah, here we go. All right. So, slight bend of the knees. Okay, palms are up here, up for 2, down for 2. We're doing biceps to start off with. Lots of stuff. 10 minutes. So if it gets too much for you at any time, just drop out, have a stretch, come back in. Yeah? Good for our gums. Okay, let's be slower. 3, 2, 1, and down. Bracing the abs. Elbows are sort of tucked into your side, okay? Nice and tall. Singles, here we go. Go, up. So I'm going to move things around a bit. So we're not going to be on biceps, for 3.5 minutes. Well, we might be, but we'll move them around with other things so we don't wear ourselves out. Let's go up 2, down 2. So remember, bend in the knees. Slow up. 3, 2, 1. Down. 2. And down. What are we doing? Singles. Let's go. Stand like this if you like. Do this if you like. All options. Okay, let's go bottom half. Bottom half. Little ones. See? Little. Just working the muscle a different way. Okay, we're going to have a little break here. Roll the shoulders. Get this. Bring them up above your head. Triceps. Go down for 2. Up for 2. You can't see my arms. My director said you can't see my arms. Okay. So there's other options of sitting on seats or sitting on the bed. So that you get to see my arms. That's what happens when you try to get cameras in tiny spaces. Anyway, I'm talking about form here, aren't I? So, see how I'm bringing this down? My elbows are tucked in, okay? Don't let them fly out like here. Not good. Let's go singles. Down and up. Down and up. What we do. Okay, I'm feeling that. Let's go bottom half. Little ones. Remember we did it before? Elbows tucked in, abs are braced. If you're sitting, nice and strong, nice and tall. Okay, that'll do for that. I'm going to come back up. We're going to do biceps. You can stay sitting down, but this time, not here. Hammer curls, go singles. So we're working the biceps differently now. Okay, we're going to go up quick, down, slow. So all the time we're trying to do it with control. We're not flinging things. We're controlling the muscle. Go up, down, 2, 3, up, down. Option is this. I was doing that behind the camera, making me laugh. Bottom half, little ones. Just a few more. Let's go. 4, I'm going to sideways. 2, 1, up top half. So we got top, half. So as we're doing these different ways, we're working the muscle different ways. Obviously, it's good for you. Singles. I like to do singles in chorus. I don't know, it just feels right. Couple more. We're going to do something a little bit different we haven't done yet. Super slow. 4, 3, 2, 1. Really slow, control it down. Keep those abs braced. I like this. Let's do 2 more of those. Then we're going to do some shoulders. Yeah. Okay, we're going to change muscle group. Okay, hands are in here. We're going to go up for 2, in for 2. So keeping the arms bent. A little bend in them. Now if you find, oh, that's too hard for me, bend it here. Okay? Still work it, but keep it in here. So as we shorten it, it makes it a little bit easier. Control it. Remember, harder, out. Keeping the palms, they come out and then palms are down. Couple more. I always say couple more, it could be anything. You know, 100, 1. Couple more. We're going to go up, quick, down, slow. Go up, down, 2, 3, up. I'm going to change my legs here. I like this. It's more comfy for me. Just a couple. We'll change it. Okay, shoulder roll. Okay, back to triceps. Get rid of one of these. All right, we're going to do tricep kickbacks. You can be here with a chair against the wall. Ready? Tuck this elbow in. Good. Music. Back for 2. So you can be here. See how my elbow, I'm keeping it still. So you can be doing it like this, or leaning on something. You could be leaning on a chair, but keep that elbow still. Okay, I like doing it on the floor. I'm going to come down here. I like this. I find this more comfy for me. So keep your head down. So keep the spine straight. Okay, let's go up quick, down slow. 2, 3. So up, control it back. I don't know about you, I'm starting to feel that. Even with the water bottle. How much water did Hannah put in here? I think she put quite a lot in this morning. Thanks, Hannah. Okay, let's go singles on this one. Let's go 8. Come on. 7, 6, 5. Keep your head down. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, swap it over. You just have to move your head. I'm just going this way so I can talk to you. Or you can see my arm. We're doing 2-2, so other arm. Okay? Sort of live lots of my life by music. Just love doing things to music. Can't help myself. Up quick, up, down, 2, 3, up, down, 2, 3. Elbows nice and still. Up. Okay, let's go singles. Hey, I can feel it. I can hear it in the music. Just was like, do it. Do those singles. Work it. I think we can do, 8 more. Yeah, we are. This is such a cute song, isn't it? Okay, whew, that'll do for that. Let's go. Coming back up, a little bit more shoulders. Remember, you can be sitting here, arms up, 2. We're working the shoulders. We're at the last minute, guys. Stay with it, stay with it. Up, down, 2, 3, up, down. Arms only come down to here. Push it up. So you can bring them in a little bit as they come in. Yeah? 2, go up, 2, go up. I love doing shoulders. It's my favorite one. It's my favorite muscle group. Singles. We're going to do singles a bit early. We're going to stay with it for 8 more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going here. Singles to the front. Yeah. That was quick. You can always stay standing up the whole time, okay? We're doing front of the shoulders here. Do you want to work harder? Yeah. Push it out to the front. Slight bend to the arms when it comes to the front. No higher than my shoulder. Yeah. 7. Come on. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That's great. Okay. Shake it out and roll it out. Shake it out. Bring it across. Okay, other arm across. Up we go. Triceps, quick stretch. Other side. We're just doing it quick because I'm trying to keep the minutes down here. Can't help myself, just want to talk, want to keep going. Okay, have a great day. Thanks for joining me. See you soon. Bye.